The type of engine is called a side valve.
Side valve.
Side valve, yeah.
Yeah, you know that I have never seen this with a belt.
The belt was really, they had rubber belts at the time, but many belts were made up of links. Brammer belt was a famous one. Apparently the machine tools still exist, but they don't make any belts.
It will capture all the detail. Very nice. The springs on the front suspension.
Is that a video?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes, it gets a cinematic quality. Very, very good quality. Sir.
Is it in 4K HD?
Yes, sir.
Mine is on my camera.
Yes, sir. It's got very, very good quality. Sir. I will upload it to the. I have a YouTube channel. So